Hey guys, this is Dan back with another maths tutorial. In today's lesson we're going to be using the chain rule to find the tangent to a curve y equals 2x plus 1 to the power of 4 at the point where x equals minus 1. So firstly we start with the function y equals 2x plus 1, then we differentiate it using the chain rule. So that's dy dx. So you reduce the power by 1, bring that power out the front of the function, then multiply by the differential of the bracket. So then we come down and we know that dy dx equals 8 outside the front of 2x plus 1 to the 3. Then because we want to find the equation of the tangent when x equals 1, we put x equals 1 into the gradient function, which then equals negative 8. Okay, so that's the first step. We've determined that the gradient of the tangent at that point is negative 8. So then we know that when x equals negative 1, we put that back into the original equation, and then we know that the y equals 1. So we are now at the point minus 1, 1. So using the point gradient formula, which is y minus y1 equals the gradient outside of x minus x1, we therefore have the equation of the tangent equaling y minus 1 equals minus 8 outside of x plus 1, because x1 equaled minus 1, but minus is a plus. So that's where we get the plus 1 from. And then multiplying that out, we have y minus 1 equals minus 8x minus 8, and therefore the equation of the tangent at that point is 8x plus y plus 7 equals 0. So that's a pretty simple question once you can wrap your head around it. It has a few elements. So firstly, you have to use the chain rule to differentiate that function, and then you have to get the gradient at that point and then put that into the point gradient formula, or the 2-point formula. You probably could use that, but I prefer the point gradient formula. But yeah, so you do that, and then that's a pretty simple question. So yeah, thank you and have a good day. Alright, bye.